Now in the last section we applied this background to the section. It's kind of looking okay, but the green on the blue doesn't look so good. So what I need to go and do is to format each one of these so that instead of a green background, maybe just a white background might be nice. So let's try that. Let's go to here. Let's move that over a bit so we can see what we're doing. Go to where it says background, and I'll get rid of the green background. Add a background color, and I'll just try white. That I think is looking better. We can adjust the intensity, of course, so we can have it full on like that, or we can bring it down so it's more transparent. So you can have sort of like that as 0, or you can bring it up a little bit. So maybe something like that is quite nice. So let's do that. So I think that one's looking nicer than the other two. And what I could do is go to both of these and do the formatting. But an easier way of doing things is if I just go over here and right click, you can copy the module style. Can you see that? So if I click here and then move over here and right click here, I can paste the module style. So basically any formatting I've done here is pasted to this one. And with this one here, again, I could say, let's go and copy the module style and paste it in here. So we're pasting the module styles. And that's how you paste sort of module styles from one module to another. Very, very simple.